still get out on bond. The only thing that's happened so far is he entered a plea, guilty or not guilty. Now, before you enter a plea in federal court, they make sure that you're competent to enter a plea. They make sure that you're not like high on drugs or alcohol. In Cass's case, he disclosed that before I gave myself up to cops, I took a hit of weed and a shot of Henny. Otherwise, I'm good, I'm competent. I plead not guilty. They accepted that plea, not guilty for Casanova. At that time, his lawyers could have asked for a bond hearing. They could have said, Judge, set a bond, conditions under which my client can get out pending his trial. So maybe he puts money up. Maybe you put an ankle monitor on him and there's GPS monitoring. Maybe he puts property up. Whatever it is, some set of conditions under which he could get out. They didn't make that argument then. Instead, they waited. Good decision. Why? By waiting, now you go get witnesses, people from the community, people from his record label. People could speak to how this is a good man. This is a man who's got his life turned around. This is a businessman. This is not a guy who's going to run from these charges. He's pled not guilty. He's going to stay. They waited. They're going to put that stuff together. That argument should happen now in a week or two. Good luck to Casanova. The feds are throwing gang charges at Casanova. They're saying he's part of a gang called the Gorilla Stone Nation. There's charges against 18 gang members centered out of events in Poughkeepsie, the surrounding areas of Westchester, New York City. 17 have been arrested. Number 18 is Casanova. They are still looking to arrest him. What the charges are is typical gang stuff: murder, robberies, drug activity. Interestingly, the charges against Casanova, what the feds will do in these types of cases is just like the 6ix9ine case. They will say that, okay, all of you guys individually committed crimes, and together, the reason why you were committing all of your individual crimes was in furtherance of the gang, to bring the gang up. As to Casanova, the only charge they have against him is that he had possession of a firearm while illegal drug activity was going on. Other than that, it's all conspiracy, that, oh, somebody else murdered someone, and so that because y'all are part of the same gang, you're in it. The best defense, do not say a word. If you get caught up in this, it's very hard to prove that what you did was to further the gang unless people start talking that, yeah, we're all in a gang and that's why we did it. Casanova will be facing serious charges, maximum sentence